Hi guys, I'm back again. So I already went to eat. I'm sorry, I was hungry. But finishing my banana. I had me a banana for dessert. So this is where we left off. I just went ahead and added a little, just little bits and pieces on here in this little pocket. And then here I went ahead and added just one of these little cards. Sorry guys. So that was done. So now we just need to finish this side. So for this side I had picked these lovely ladies. And I'm probably gonna do the same thing that I did here. Just use them as a tuck. And I should have looked to see what I'm going to use to insert in there. Let me see. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry that, I just let the whole video run instead of stopping and then starting, you know. I keep saying I'm going to play with the what do you call it? The, you know, to take better not to take better pictures, to record. But I just haven't done it. Wait, put a little bit here. I keep saying I'm going to play with it and figure out how to, you know, attach videos and, you know, edit them and stuff like that. But I just can't seem to make time for that. So I apologize for that. That, you know, they're just going to be cut and put in. I know eventually I'm going to have to do that because, you know, that's kind of screwy that, you know, the video just turns off and I don't even say bye. But, yeah, I have 4 videos. And the last video is only 9 minutes before I, you know, turned off the camera. So I'm sorry for that, guys. But, you know I need to make time to learn how to do that. And I just don't. But what's more important is the content, what you guys want to see. So yeah, I say that to myself to make me feel better. So thinking, I'm wondering if this one will fit. Maybe not. And guess I should take it out till give it a little bit more time for it to dry. These were from my a paper pad, which you could see it has the floral in the back. And then let me see if I can fit this one. No, it won't fit like that. So then it will have to be like this. There you go. And there we have it, guys. So now all we need to do is do our little tags. Pick up these bits and pieces out of here. But that's it, see? I think it came out really cute. And that goes over here in the front. But I need to add, make the little taggies. Now I have some, you know what I forgot to do, guys? To see the minutes. I can see the minutes. Well, I think we're pretty much done, so I don't think I need to worry about that. Those are too big. They're cute too. I'm thinking of using some of these. I have file folders, and I just cut them for tags. So I'm thinking, unless I have a piece of scrap over here to make it. Let me see real quick, guys. I may have some. Yep, I do. That way I could just leave these here since they're already nicely cut. So let's move this aside and get our little cutter here. Now, for the pocket size, about 2 1/4. Okay, so let's see, 2 1/4. Oh yeah. So 2 1/4. 4 1/2. Okay. Probably use those for something. So now I will take the tag from that one over there and just pop it right there. Okay, so put this one back. Come on. Okay. Gonna give me a hard time. There. So now I'm just gonna distress the edges. Now I'm probably gonna leave these blank as well. Like I said, there's that could be the space for journaling. Okay, so then we just come and there, and there. So there we have it, guys. Now all we need to do is get our little you know, little thread thingy to close. This is for the other one. I don't know where the other one's at. My roll, I need to find it. How cute is that? Whoops, I'm way over there. Huh. Sorry guys, I hope the being out of frame wasn't too bad. But there it is. I finally finished it, and where's the lid? Where is my lid? Oh, whoops, blend it in. But that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I said, they don't take that much long. It took me like about a little over 2 hours to get it done, and it took longer because I had to use my stains, you know, and distress it and all that, you know, and dry it. So that took a while in the sewing. But other than that, you know, it's not that bad, and it's fun, and they're really cute. So I hope you guys liked it. And also just wanted to let you know that, you know, you can use any type of book page. These are I think it's an encyclopedia or a dictionary. I think it's an encyclopedia. And those are bigger pages. I did cut a little bit around, but I did the same thing. I got the little pockets in there, and here I did remember to leave that little notch there for the tag. But yeah, you could you can use any size of paper, and as you could see, you know, that would give you a bigger project. But they're really cute, really fun. Like I said, any size of book page. Here I distressed this one, but yeah, any kind of book page, you can do this, and then just collage or just add some of that awesome, beautiful paper from all these wonderful DigiKits that are out there, and you can do that. So also, before I let you guys go, I also wanted to share something. I also went ahead and added a set of 11 book page pockets. They're plain. I figured, you know, people may not have sewing machines, or they just want to sample, or, you know, whatever the situation is. I went ahead and created some book pages. This is a pocket that will be glued there. So you would just tuck back here, tuck here. But I didn't glue it down because I thought you might want to add your beautiful paper in there and then glue the pocket there. And you would just get, you know, seam binding, or, you know, jute, whatever paper, whatever trim you want, you know, as a closure. So you'd get that style of pocket, and you'd get one of these. Now, let me see. For this one, I did do that little opening there, but, you know, this one's too little. But you would decorate there. There's your little insert. And then you flip it over, and then you have a tuck here, and you would decorate right here. So yeah, that's another cute little pocket idea that comes with the kit. And then one of these, and so you'd have your little tucks here, and then you would decorate the front and the back. And then there's this one. Now this one couldn't be an envelope. You know, you would insert your stuff in there, or you could turn it on the side. I've done little booklets this side where I decorate, and then the tuck there. And then you can do maybe like a little notepad, you know, add a bunch of scrap papers, and, you know, they can journal on there. So there's that one. And then there's this cute little floating sort of tag pocket. You would put your little card there, cover, journal on the back, you know, or you can glue it down on sides, and, you know, it'd be a tuck. So there's one of those. And then there's one of these, and this is like one of the little booklets. You would open it, again, you would decorate the back, and then you add your little pocket there, and then you can insert your little goodies on the front and on the back. Again, you can also do a little notepad thingy there. So that would be fun. Then I have one of these. I think I've made this one before. You would insert a tag there, it opens, and then you would insert a tag in here and you would decorate it. So that's cute. I did go ahead and use my little punch. I can't think of the name. And then another one, you know, that goes in your pocket, and then you would use the back too as a pocket. And then one of these, again, a tag, and you would either leave it floating, you can glue it down, you know, and make it a tuck. You know, whatever you want to do with it. Book pages, that's the fun part. You can do so much with them. Here's another one similar to the other one, but this one only has one pocket, and then you have the back. So, and then this one would be like a belly band, or you could put it at the end of a book page and tuck here, tuck here, tuck here, and here. Or you can use it as a belly band and then just have something in the front, and then, you know, your paper on the back. So yeah, there's that one. So it's a total of 11. 11 in there. One of these is not in there. This was already made before I did this one. But I'm thinking it would be a good idea to add that one in here too. That'd be fun. But anyways, yes guys, this is a new set I have in my Etsy shop. If you're interested, these two go together. You know, or you can distress it with distress stain. You can also copy dye them as is. This is what I used to do too before. I used to sew them all like this, and then I do the copy dye, and then, you know, dry them already sewn. So you can do it either way you want. But anyways, I just want to let you know this is an item on my shop. So if you guys are interested, they are listed there, and it's a total of 11. Like I said, they're all different. And I think that's it for today. I hope you guys like this craft with me or tutorial. I will be doing the tutorial on the other, I don't have it right here, but the other, I guess like a folio with all those wonderful envelopes and then the journal on the back. People have requested for me to just go ahead and do my, I guess my, the way I did mine. So that will be coming up next. But I just wanted to pop in and do this one real quick for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You guys have an amazing rest of the day, and I will see you guys on my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye.